Here is how to delete your account in BeReal app in case you think BeReal isn't your thing anymore. So you will tap on your profile in the top right, tap on results in top right, tap on help, contact us, and here you have the option to delete your account. You'll be logged out immediately in your account and all your data will be scheduled to permanently delete in 15 days. If you log in within those 15 days, your account will no longer be deleted. So this is the way to restore your account. It says here if you have 2 seconds, we would like to know why you want to leave us, and then just choose the reason why you would like to leave BeReal. And then tap yes, I'm sure in the bottom. So that's what you can do to delete your account. And all your data will also be deleted. Your data, your photos should not be appearing in the search results and discovery feed. So that is how to delete your account in BeReal app.